got there?
It's a new box full of ukuleles.
Ah,
To figure out how to open it.
do you want a key?
Yes. Ooh, that's good. That'll work. Gotta keep this box intact.
Well packaged, huh?
Yeah.
What's in the box? What's in the box?
Oh, it's a surprise. Oh, do you hear barking?
It's a box full of. It's a box full of
Cardboard.
more cardboard boxes. All right. Interesting.
Let's see, what do we have here? Okay, the ones I'm most excited about.
So there's two types. Okay, so it's a box full of boxes that have strings on them that make sounds.
Oh, this must be.
Dun 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 dun. With a bag. Holy moly. Oh wow. Oh cool. Dalmatians, I see what you mean now. Cool.
Okay.
Nice fretboard. Nice
Got a
size.
bone here.
That's very cute.
Dolphins. Okay, let's see what's next.
That's lekker. So you got two of those, eh?
4.
4 Dalmatians.
I think so.
Oh, nice. Do they all have bags?
Yeah, they're all in back.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Nice.
Yeah.
You have the golden nugget.
I didn't know about this one.
That's a nice color. It's like yellowwood.
Yeah. First time I've tried this one.
Sounds Middle Eastern.
Well, it is made in Indonesia.
Right, so that's Eastern. It's to the east of the middle.
This one again.
So the ones with the colorful boxes, are they any different?
They are what they call the art series.
So does that mean that they're just painted with pictures, pretty pictures and things?
Yeah.
Okay. So there's no structural difference to the ukulele, except perhaps the
Finishing.
finishes. But the sound quality will be the same. This is
Yeah,
kind
this is
of another Dalmatian.
Dalmatian.
Nice. So the art series would be the Dalmatians, huh?
Yeah, I would say these wooden ones have a bit of a lighter sound, I would say.
Oh, okay.
So what do we have here?
Nice. Emerald, greeny blue. It's like the color of the ocean. What
Yes.
color is that? Aquamarine.
Yeah, they call it translucent blue.
Translucent blue. Nice.
Let's see if we can find the black hearts.
Oh, have you got ones with black hearts on them?
Yeah.
I want a black heart.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I want a black heart ukulele to show how much I express my darkness.
Ah. Okay. Must be this one.
Is this the black heart of the night?
Does it look like a black heart?
So far so good. It looks like a black bean. Is it a... Nope, looks white to me. Dalmatians.
Okay, no Dalmatian. Then
There must be one left.
right.
And it's the one there in the box, huh? The bottom one there is just the top. Alright, this is the one. Black heart.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, yo.
Oh, it didn't. Oh, cool. They did the strings like
Like
that.
we wanted them to.
Yeah. Did they? Or did they fall off?
This one's.
It's broken. Oh, cool. We get to send it back to them, and they can send us a free delivery.
Oh.
That's unfortunate.
Unfortunate.
It's unfortunate we caught it on the video, and it's fine because that heart's actually pink. So.
Oh, yeah. No, this is the bridge.
Yeah, and it's obviously unstuck itself. Eh? I'm surprised they don't drill it through. That they just glue it on.
Yeah. I've had actually another one that also had a bit of a.
I think it would go on this way, huh?
Yeah. Then the strings can come in. Okay, we'll
Have to
tell
sort
them.
that one out.
Yeah.
Well, not a major disappointment. 1 out of 12.
One
Well,
out of 12?
yeah. Nice one, AB.
Good.
Cool. Happy ukulele days.
I can't wait.
Lekker.